How to send USDT from Binance to your Tonkeeper wallet. So first we need to open our Tonkeeper wallet, and then you will find this option called receive. Just tap here, and from here copy this code. As you can see, the code has been copied. Close this application, and now we have to open Binance. After opening Binance, you will find this interface, and from the bottom right corner just tap your wallet and then spot, and from here tap this withdraw button, and then in the search box search for USDT, and this will be the option. Tap here, and then you will have to choose the first option, send via crypto network. Now from here you just tap this box and paste the code which we have copied from Tonkeeper wallet, and in the memo you don't have to type anything. It's not required for Tonkeeper wallet, but for the sake of the video you just type something like, for example, 3 or maybe. All right, don't put space between them. If you put space, as you can see, it will be invalid. Just type something and then your amount. Make sure it's minimum $10, and after completing everything just press the withdraw button and you are good to go. That's it. Thanks for watching my video, and please like and subscribe to my channel.